Hi guys, I'm Kat and I'm going to show you how to do some beach waves because it's summer and we all love the look. So when I personally like to wave and curl hair, I like to take diagonal back sections because I feel like with the alternating curl pattern, it really accentuates the waves. It makes it look more piecey. So I'm going to prep the hair with Neuro Prime. And then I'm using an 1.25" curling iron. It just depends. I like an 1.25" for anyone's hair below the shoulders. So always in the front, the first piece, I start curling away from the face. And with beach waves, you want to hold your curling iron vertically so it gives it that more wave look rather than a curl, and you want to pull down. So each way we're going to alternate. We're going to go away from the face and then towards the face, so it gives it that piecey, beachy look. So this piece, I'm going to go away from the face. And then once again, you leave about an inch out on the end, and then you pull down and unravel. Then we're going to go back, just around the head, and then away from the face. Holding it vertically. And then towards the face. And I like to take 1.5" sections so the wave isn't too big, too small. And I'm going to move on to, sometimes I'll curl like one side of the head and then curl the other side of the head. So I'm going to take a diagonal back. Put that up. And then since these curls are on top of each other, I always take the first one away from the face so you aren't getting some type of fishhook type of look. So then this next piece, the one below it, we did towards the face, so I'm going to do another one away from the face so it gives it still that piecey effect. So the curls aren't the same on top of each other going the same way. I'm going to do one towards the face. Away from the face. So on the other side, we're going to start the same way, going away from the face, because no one wants the first curl that they see to be towards the face. Now we're going towards the face, and then away. And if you want them to be like a looser wave, you could always take a bigger section like this one or a slightly smaller one. I kind of like to mix it up because it gives it a more natural beachy-like effect. Now we're going away again. So we finished all the curls, and you have to let it completely cool down or they won't set and they might get a little more frizzy, and we don't want more frizz because it is summer and humid. So I like to take a wide tooth comb, but you could take your hands as well. And I just like to brush them out. Just one brush over to just loosen them up. And then I like to take, especially in the summer months, a little pump to smooth it through the hair. And then I always like to finish with a texture spray. And this is the finished look, and if you're going pretty quick, you can get it done in 10 minutes.